There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, she will be the first to be notified. And for my returning subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you for always coming back to support me. You guys are so amazing. You guys are so fabulous. You guys are so beautiful, and may God Almighty continue to bless you all. And if you are new to my channel and you subscribe right now, may God Almighty continue to bless you, and you are welcome to this amazing family. Okay guys, today's video, oh my goodness, I'm so happy guys. It's all about this beautiful wig. Did you want to know where this wig is coming from? Oh my goodness, from Celie hair guys. Oh my god, this hair is so beautiful. Oh my god, you all know Celie. I love beautiful things and natural things guys. Oh my god, this hair is really so beautiful, as you can see. Oh my god, oh my goodness. So guys, if you want to have this hair for yourself, it's simple. Rush down to my description box, click the link below and it will take you to the store. Okay, order this hair for yourself and you will thank me later guys. Oh my goodness, I love this hair so much. The package was so beautiful. Oh my god, they are so good guys. If you order this hair, you are going to be having so many gifts guys. So many gifts. Actually, beauty starts from Celie hair guys. Oh my goodness, yes. So if you want to be beautiful, if you want to glow, I don't know how to put the word guys, if you want to really look beautiful, okay, go straight to my description box, click the link below and it will take you straight to their store. Beauty starts from Celie hair guys, trust me. Oh my goodness. And if you order from them, you are going to be having two packages. One, you will have your hair and the other one is full of gifts guys. Oh my goodness, oh my god. And you are going to be having a promo code, trust me. Okay, so you are not going to be having this hair so expensive guys. You know, with the promo code, oh my goodness, you are good to go. All right, rush down to my description box, click the link below and order this beautiful hair for yourself. Okay, I just come back to say thank you Celie. That's all. Yeah, so this hair is so beautiful. I love this hair so much and I want you to order this hair for yourself. If you don't like this color or the length, don't worry about that. They have different kind of hair there. Okay, different kind of hair, different kind of length and different kind of color that you want for yourself. Okay, Celie hair is the best right now. I'm telling you, they are so good in everything they are doing. Okay, all their hair is so beautiful. It's so natural and beautiful. Okay, so if you are not beautiful before, trust me, when you order from them, you are going to be looking so beautiful, because beauty starts from Celie hair guys, trust me. All right guys, so I've been receiving lots of messages, you know, hair they order and it's so beautiful. Thank you so much, you know, thank you for helping me to order their hair guys. Thank you so much. Okay, you guys are really blessed. I love you all for always doing that. You know, trust me, all the hair I'm doing review for, they are so beautiful. They are 100% human hair. Okay, there is no fake hair there. Okay, go to my, if you are new to my channel and you want to have beautiful hair for yourself, there are lots of video there and there are lots of what is it called, link there. click there and get all those hair for yourself. Okay, they are so good and they are so natural, guys. All right, guys, that will be all for this explanation, guys. And if you want to know how this hair was done, please do watch my video to the end, and see you on my next video. Bye. Hello my gorgeous people, hope you guys are doing fine. Oh my goodness, as you guys see, I'm so happy today, guys. Our waiting hair is here, guys. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to be showing you this lovely package, oh my god, from Celie hair. Let's jump right into it, guys. So it came like this, you know. Let me show you guys. It came like this, guys. It came like this. Okay, so we are going to be which one? So we are going to be unboxing this first. Okay, let's see what we have in here, guys. Oh my god, this package is so beautiful. Purple is not my favorite color, guys, but seeing this package, guys, I think it's going to be my favorite color from now on. Yeah, because it's so beautiful, guys. I love this package so much, you know. So let's see what we have in here, guys. So we have this. Oh my goodness. So just like this, it's a band. So have this. Okay, I really need this so badly. So we also have this, guys. Oh my god, guys. Okay, so have this, guys. Oh my god, and this. Yay, Celie hair, you guys are the best, you know. Order this hair and you have all this. Okay, last one. Oh my god, let's see. Wow, this is my first time of having this, guys. Oh god. Oh my god, actually this is 24 inches, guys. Oh my god, let's see the wig. Oh, I love wigs so much. Oh my god, it's very long, again. 24 inches. It's true length, guys. So you can see I will not be doing much work on this hair, guys. Oh my god, look at it, guys. Just see. So guys, rush down to my description box right now to have this beautiful hair for yourself. Rush down to my description box, click the link below and order this hair for yourself. You can see, you see the way it's looking inside. It's so beautiful, guys, so beautiful. And we have these two comb, and the last one, guys, is very secure, you can see, and the inside is so beautiful, guys. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Okay, so as you can see, this is the lace is 5 times 5 lengths, guys, you know, 5 times 5 lace frontal, guys. This is so beautiful. Actually, this is the latest one. You know, we have the lace frontal before, no lace closure. Yeah, not so wide like this. Lace closure is 4 times 4, and why this is 5 times 5. As you can see, it's more wide. They're going to be styling it, guys. As you can see, this, it's okay like this, but if you want to bleach it more, you can actually do that. For me, I'm going to be using foundation to blend it. Okay, so that is just it. So if you want to bleach it, you can actually do it. It all depends on what you want for yourself. Okay, so follow my style and don't follow my style. All right, so you can actually do what I do if you love it, but if you don't, do it your own way, guys. So that is just it, guys. You can see now. So right now I'm adjusting it. You know, it came with 3 combs, okay, to secure your hair. So that's it. So as you can see, the front is so beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness, oh my god, you don't need to do much job on this hair, trust me. So right now I will be using my glue, but I'm not going to be using the glue. I will be using the gel. So you can actually use the glue if you want. Okay, for me, I don't like using the glue because of my front hair, so I always use this gel to do mine. All right, so right now we'll just be adding the spray gel and then, you know, drying it up. So that is just it, very simple to do. And yeah, okay. Yeah, so just to make it tight or hold, so I have to use this to tie it. Okay, after I dry it up, then I remove it again, you know, before trimming the ends. I don't really need it. Okay, so you know, Celie, that now with this voice over everything is very, very difficult. Yeah, so that is just it. So I will be creating a middle part. Okay, so I don't want to leave the hair like that. I just want to choose my own parts, you know. So that is it. So right now, to get that part perfect, you need this your hot comb and your foundation to create the parts, you know. So right now we just continue using my hot comb, you know, to flat it. All right. Yeah, so I don't know if you can actually use another thing to do it. Some people, they use iron, you know, so I will be doing a video about that, how you can use iron to make the fronts to be flat. So right now I'll be using my foundation to create the parts, you know, to look sharp. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I'll continue using my comb to flat it. You know, I don't want to use any products, although there are lots of product you can just spray it on it, then you to just go down. So I don't want it like that. I don't want to use any products on the hair. You all know me, I don't like using lots of products on my hair. I don't, no, I don't like it because it damages hair so well. So that's just it, guys. So right now I'm back again with the look, with a good look, beautiful look, gorgeous look. Oh my god, you all know that. So I'm always like that. So that is just it, guys. As you can see, so beautiful, guys. What are you waiting for? Oh my god, go down to my description box, order this beautiful hair for yourself and look beautiful and adorable. Okay, so Celie hair, they are the best. Oh my god, I love them so much. Yeah, that is it, guys. See you on my next video.
I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember